this kind of work inside the Jewish community have been done for me and for my family for generations. Um, it's just exactly what we do. This community was not going to let each other go hungry. So the Westside Food Co-op is an initiative that started actually around Pesach time, right at the beginning of the pandemic. We were distributing these beautiful Pesach boxes that we have done for a couple of years now, thanks to JFC. And that was like the beginning of the rumors where we started hearing the pulse of the community that food insecurity was going to be a massive issue to deal during this pandemic.
With COVID, she recognized how many Jews were having issues and didn't have food, specifically on the West Side. And she mobilized. She did whatever she could to get the right food in the right place at the right time to the right people.
The food co-op is literally who she is. The food co-op is just a representation of how she envisions a community should be.
It started in the garage because this is where the buckets were in the beginning. We go out of our way to make sure everybody's need is fulfilled without being invasive in what the privacy of the family is. And we try to integrate a lot of other agencies and services into the food co-op.
This is a really, really special, exceptional person. And I couldn't be more thrilled for her that she is being honored with the Irene Zeman Award.
During the war, Grandma Irene saw the need to send salamis to Jewish soldiers who were fighting abroad. And she literally set up a little industry in her basement where the community came together to wrap salamis in wax so that they could be sent.
When she passed away, her two daughters, my Aunt Judy and my mother, established this award to help carry on her legacy of improving the world one act of kindness at a time.
It was just so clear that Marielle passed the salami test. I mean, her entire actions during this pandemic it's been nothing more than total salami.
I think it's a very Jewish thing that if you have it, even if you just have one, you split it in half and share it. If you're not off, you teach off. Like whatever you have, it don't have to be grandioso, it don't have to be majestic, you don't have to have all the answers. When we start this, we have no idea where this was going to take. We have no idea who was going to be a supporter or not. It's a lot of trust that our community will show up because they do over and over.
The co-op is definitely a basis for community building, for people to feel like there's a hub to share resources. And I think that definitely throughout the pandemic, it's an important need. And even after the pandemic is over, it can evolve into a place where there's resources available, where all the greater Cleveland resources can be available to all the West Side families.
It's extraordinarily humbling to walk into this award knowing the legacy and knowing who have received it before me. And it's really inspiring to see what come out of it and how much other people care for what you're doing.
Marielle's Jewish values are at the core of what Federation does, what Federation is here for, and what our community needs. Marielle is here for good.
There's a concept called Lamed Vavne, that there are 36 Jewish saints living among us, doing good in the world, without whom the world would crumble. Marielle is so much beyond a volunteer extraordinaire. Marielle is one of these Lamed Vavnes.
Mazel tov, Marielle, and thank you for all your good work. It's especially needed at these difficult times. Thank you.
Mazel tov, Marielle. Thank you.
Mazel tov, Marielle, on an award very well deserved.
Thank you for everything that you do for the West Side, for all of Cleveland, for all Jews around the world. You're amazing.
Your spirit, your sense of community, and your dynamic vitality is just infectious.
We're so happy for you on a personal level, on a community level. We know that this is going to be a stepping stone for so many great things.
Mazel tov, Marielle! Congratulations! So well deserved!
Mazel tov, Bunny, for your big award. So happy for you.
Marcia, what do you say to Bunny?
Bye. Bye.